So here we are in the workshop, just a little scan round. This is where Trevor is working. So Trevor is a plumber and he's just been doing his English bond. So too has Darren. Darren's a carpenter who works where we work. Come along nicely as well. Here is Ryan, who is a bricklayer, but he's come in because he wants to do all the fancy and technical stuff. This is Tom. He's been with me the longest now. He is a level 3 carpenter, but he has done some mighty fine work. He is. That's his work at the back there as well. It's really good. This is Nick. He works where I work. And he's now doing a cavity wall. So he's just started that, raising his corner up today. And this is our Chris. He's just started working where we work as well. He's labouring at the moment, obviously, because this is his 3rd week with us. And good potential. And here is Ben. Ben was on holiday this week, so he wasn't in. And that was his 1st week with us, which was last week. The whole place needs a real good tidy up. You can see I've got so much stuff to crush up and get sieved and put in there before we can mix up again. So I have really got to do that one evening next week. And I'm going to see if my daughter's going to come in with me and just help me tidy up everywhere. I will pay her handsomely because this area in here is just got a little bit out of hand. So yeah, I just need to spend some time tidying everywhere up. But yeah, it's all good fun. I don't think I can take any more people on at the moment. It looks like we have a little bit of space here, but obviously Ryan's going to stay where he is, but this man here is going to expand a little bit, depending on how long he wants to stay. I think he just wants to do the basics, but you never know. We've got archers. I'm going to include a different section in here as well. At the moment, I do basic skills, and then we do cavity walls. There's on the basic skills, there's I think about 9 jobs. On the cavity work, there's 6 jobs, and with the detailed work, they're unlimited. That goes into all sorts. But I'm gonna actually start including doing some drawings of the chimney stacks that we do at work, and because they're always nice and decorative. And I just thought last week how nice it would be to just have a chimney stack built in the middle here. And there are probably a dozen of those that I would draw up. So that'd be something good to do as well. Let's just have a quick little look. I've written here on Ben's board and Chris's. This is the basic skills. So we start off on profiles, then a stretcher on return, and then we combine both those into this one, which is what Chris is doing at the moment. So that's the stretcher on corner and the run into profiles, but like done on one job. Then he'll go to a garden wall, then an isolated pair, then English and Flemish bond. And when they do the Flemish bond, they will keep it up, because the top will come off and 4 courses will come off, and then we'll start doing the decorative stuff on the last basic skills work that they do. So that's the kind of plan that everyone's working to at the moment. But yeah, we'll just carry on, see how it goes. Obviously everywhere's getting a little bit cooler now, so The evens are getting dark. Look at that out there now. That was only about 2.5 months ago. And it was still bright out there. There you go. Right, better get home because I'm a little bit hungry.